this video it's about how to disassemble LG remote control with model start with MR21. Start with remove the cover, remove the battery, and then you will need to have the thin plastic blade, a few thin plastic blade. So now I'm using a plastic pick and try to pry off from the top to the bottom like this. Start from the top of the remote first. Okay, so you will find the weak spot on the remote, because if you're trying to pry on the side, it's gonna tight. So first thing first, okay, and as you can see, it's very tight. So you need to, from my remote, I start from left side top first, and then trying to stay it. It's quite hard. It's yeah. So okay, so you need more thin plastic blade to pry it off from the top. It's the weak spot. Okay, once it's pry off, trying to keep it open and just slide it. You will click here, the click until this, around this area. Okay, and back to another side. On another side, trying to pry open it. Okay, and as you can see, it's it's already open. And as you can see here, I tried to open it already. So yeah, so for this area you need to do the opposite side, to slide it up instead. Okay, see, slide up, but this direction slide down. And if I'm not mistaken, yeah, you need to slide up again. Boom. And here, done. It's removed the cover, the front cover and the back cover already. And this is how to remove, or this is disassemble the LG Magic Remote with model MR21. So that's all for this video. Thank you.